Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another session of CO Science class. Today, we are going to investigate a plant growth in which we will learn about the germination of a seed. We are going to investigate about the stages in the germination of a plant seed. The main objectives of this lesson are understand the term germination, investigate the process of seed germination, and make relevant observation after looking at few of the things which we are going to do in this process, and we will do some prediction based on scientific knowledge. So here first you will start with a revisit of the structure of the seed, and in our previous class you have learned about the internal and external structure of the seed. This is a lateral view of a seed where you will find these parts: hilum, a scar on the seed, the micropyle, the hole through which the water enters inside the seed, and the seed coat. The outer covering of the seed is called seed coat. The outer layer is called testa, and the inner layer is tegmen. The another picture is a mature embryo, the tiny baby plant inside the seed. The upper part of the seed is called epicotyle. The medial part is hypocotyle. And this part joins this epicotyle and the radicle with the cotyledon. The radicle is nothing but the part which develops into a new root. The seed coat protects the seed, and the cotyledon is the reserve food for the tiny baby plant embryo. Now, I would like you all to draw this diagram, this simple diagram, and label the parts of the seed that you have learned in your previous class and just now we have revised. You have to draw two oval, simple structure and then label each part of the seed. It will help you to assess your knowledge. Then after, we will start with our today's topic, germination. So herein, I will show different stages of the germination of seeds, where you will know about the exact definition of the germination and what are the conditions ideal for the development of a seed. And then we will see each stage carefully. So here are the steps in the process of germination. Step 1, imbibition, then step 2, 3, 4, and 5. The final stage where the shoot grow leaves and begin photosynthesis. We will learn this all things in detail in our lesson. So the germination is the process in which I would like you to do one research activity. And the purpose of that research is to determine which type of seed would germinate the fastest. For that, first you have to make a hypothesis that which type of seed would germinate the fastest. You require some materials like different type of seeds. You can use 3 or 4 types of seeds: bowls, water, and paper towels, or a cotton cloth. So for doing this experiment, you place 4 of each type of seed in water and soak it for 24 hours. And then prepare 8 bowls in which you kept 4 different type of seeds. 4 seeds must be soaked in water and 4 dry seeds. Cover those all seeds inside the wet paper towel or cloth. You have to do observation at least 2 times daily for 2 days. Then you will record your observation and draw conclusions about your activity. For further inquiry, you can see in our next lesson, we will see how seed grow into a new plant and what do those seeds contain that help it to grow into a new plant, and what are the factors responsible for germination. This all and much more we will learn in our next class. For your self-assessment, I'd like you to do this quiz. It is join.nearpod.com, and you have to type a code to do this self-assessment. At the end, I will share a Google assignment for your homework assignment. So this is all about our class, upcoming class. See you and all the best. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.